When it comes to getting the job done faster, smarter, and with less effort, the right tool can make all the difference. But with thousands of products on Amazon, finding the ones that actually deliver isn't always easy. That's why we've done the research for you. In today's video, we're counting down 12 incredible new hand tools that stand out for their smart designs, innovative features, and real-world performance. Whether you're a professional tradesperson, a dedicated DIYer, or simply love discovering clever gadgets, these tools are built to save time and make every project easier. Stay with us until the end. You might just discover your next favorite addition to the toolbox. HOZO NeoSande. If you spend hours sanding 3D prints, scale models, or intricate DIY projects, the HOZO NeoSander is a gadget that can seriously upgrade your workflow. Powered by the world's first 13,000 SPM reciprocating linear motor, it delivers smooth, controlled sanding with an adjustable 0.6 to 1.8 mm stroke for both shaping and fine finishing. Its 89-gram ergonomic body reduces vibration by up to 85%, while IP54 protection, Type-C charging, and 1,100 mAh battery, and 8 interchangeable sanding heads make it incredibly versatile. Priced at $70, it's a smart investment for makers who demand precision and comfort. Klein 15-in-1. Every toolbox needs one reliable screwdriver, and the Klein 15-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver is built to be exactly that. Priced at around $27, it packs 14 impact-rated bits and a 1/4 inch nut driver into one compact tool, making it perfect for home repairs, electrical work, and job site tasks. The forward, reverse, and fixed ratcheting modes speed up every job, while the cushion grip handle provides excellent comfort and torque during extended use. Compatible with 1/4 inch impact drivers, this versatile tool delivers professional-grade convenience without filling your toolbox with multiple screwdrivers. EDC Mini Ratchet Wrench. A good EDC Mini Ratchet Wrench is one of those tools you don't realize you need until you're working in a tight spot. Priced at around $20, this pocket-sized tool measures just 1.8 inches, extends to 2.6 inches for extra leverage, and works with standard 1/4 inch hex bits. The quick release collar makes bit changes effortless, while the compact design clips easily onto a keychain or tool pouch. Whether you're fixing electronics, assembling furniture, or making quick field repairs, it's a surprisingly capable little tool that deserves a place in every everyday carry kit. JOREST Small Screwdriver Set. Whether you're repairing a smartphone, upgrading a laptop, or fixing a game controller, the JOREST Small Screwdriver Set has the tools to get the job done. Priced at around $10, this 40-piece kit includes 30 CRV precision bits, magnetic screwdriver handle, tweezers, pry tools, suction cup, cleaning brush, and SIM eject pin for complete electronics repair. The rotating, non-slip handle provides excellent control, while the wide selection of Phillips, Torx, Pentalobe, Tri-Wing, and security bits supports everything from iPhones and MacBooks to PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, watches, and glasses. It's an outstanding value for DIY enthusiasts. Soccer Portable Electric Welding Machine. Whether you're tackling home repairs, automotive projects, or metal fabrication, the Soccer Portable Electric Welding Machine makes welding far less intimidating. Priced at around $106, this compact 3.3-pound welder uses advanced IGBT inverter technology with an adjustable 20 to 120 amps output for smooth, stable arcs and cleaner welds. It supports 3 32nd-inch electrodes, features hot start ignition, and includes 360-degree cooling with overheat protection for reliable performance. Small enough to carry with one hand, yet powerful enough for serious DIY work, it's an excellent choice for beginners and experienced welders who value portability and convenience. Handheld MIG welder machine. Whether you're repairing a trailer, fabricating metal parts, or tackling weekend DIY projects, The AWT Handheld MIG Welder is designed to make welding simple and portable. Priced at around $68, this 5.7-pound gasless MIG welder runs on a standard 110-volt outlet and delivers up to 100 amperes of power, handling 0.030-inch and 0.035-inch flux core wire with ease. Its IGBT inverter, intelligent synergic control, and built-in cooling and safety protection help produce smooth, clean welds with minimal setup. It's an excellent budget-friendly option for beginners and experienced DIY welders alike. Kraftek Toolant 14 PC. Whether you're tuning a bike, assembling furniture, or tackling quick repairs, the Kraftek Toolant 14 PC folding Allen wrench set is a handy tool you'll appreciate having nearby. Priced at around $10, it includes 14 SAE and metric hex keys made from durable CRV alloy steel with a 58 to 62 HRC hardness rating for long-lasting performance. The folding design keeps every size organized, fits easily in a pocket or toolbox, and even doubles as a bottle opener. With precision machine tips that reduce slipping and stripping, it's an excellent everyday carry tool for DIY-ers and home mechanics. Taskstar electric caulking gun, 21 volts. Applying clean, consistent sealant can be frustrating with a manual caulk gun, but the Taskstar 21-volt electric caulking gun takes the effort out of the job. Priced at around $58, it features a brushless motor with up to 550 pounds of thrust, infinite speed control, and an automatic anti-drip system for smooth, mess-free results. 2,000 mAh batteries provide enough power to dispense up to 100 standard 300 milliliter tubes, while the built-in 180 lumen LED light improves visibility in dark corners. It's an excellent upgrade for DIY projects, remodeling, and professional sealing jobs. Jonard Tools Round Cable Stripper. If you regularly work with thick power, telecom, or industrial cables, the Jonard Tools Round Cable Stripper is built to make jacket removal faster and more precise. Priced at around $80, its patented spiral stripping mechanism easily cuts through PVC, rubber, PE, and other tough insulation. The triple action design handles longitudinal, spiral, and circular cuts, while the adjustable blade fits round cables from 3/4 to 1 and 5/8 inches, 19 to 40 millimeters. Durable enough for daily professional use, it's a smart investment that delivers clean, accurate results with less effort. Sondiko butane torch lighter. Whether you're caramelizing creme brulee, searing steaks, or tackling DIY projects, the Sondiko butane torch lighter is a versatile gadget that belongs in every toolkit and kitchen. Priced at around $17, it features one-handed flame control, a fuel gauge, continuous flame lock, and an adjustable flame reaching up to 2,372 degrees Fahrenheit, 1,300 degrees Celsius. It also works with virtually all standard butane canisters, making refill simple and convenient. From baking and BBQs to soldering and crafts, this compact aluminum torch delivers reliable performance, excellent control, and outstanding value for everyday use. Meat Thermometer Digital. Perfectly cooked meat starts with the right temperature, and the Thermometer digital meat thermometer takes the guesswork out of grilling and roasting. Priced at around $30, it delivers NIST-certified accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit with an ultra-fast 0.5 second response time, helping you cook steaks, chicken, and BBQ to perfection. Its IP67 waterproof design, auto-rotating backlit display, magnetic storage, and built-in bottle opener make it as practical as it is precise. Whether you're a backyard griller or a serious home chef, this thermometer is a reliable kitchen companion you'll reach for every time. Electric cardboard cutter. Breaking down piles of shipping boxes can be surprisingly time-consuming, but the box blade electric cardboard cutter turns that chore into a quick, effortless task. Priced at around $100, it features a powerful 40-watt motor, a rapidly vibrating concealed blade, and dual rechargeable batteries that provide over 2 hours of runtime. The ergonomic grip and hidden blade design improve both comfort and safety, while its heavy-duty construction tackles even thick cardboard with ease. Whether you're managing warehouse shipments or endless online deliveries, this tool saves time, reduces hand fatigue, and makes cardboard recycling far more efficient. Multi-tool pen set, 11-in-1. A great EDC gadget should solve everyday problems without taking up space, and the Rack 11-in-1 multi-tool pen set does exactly that. Priced at around $20, this compact 2-pack combines an LED light, stylus, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, bubble level, metric and standard rulers, bottle opener, and a smooth ballpoint pen in a durable aluminum body. It even includes extra ink refills for long-term use. Whether you're handling quick repairs, office tasks, or DIY projects, this clever multi-tool is a practical everyday companion and an excellent gift for any gadget lover. NEXTORCH EDC Tactical Flashlight. Whether you're on patrol, exploring the outdoors, or simply want a dependable everyday carry light, the NEXTORCH Tier 70 is built to perform when it matters most. Priced at around $100 to $20, this ultra-slim flashlight delivers an impressive 3,500 lumens with a 220 meter beam, powered by 3 high-performance LEDs. It features tactical, duty, and lock modes, USB-C charging, IP67 waterproof protection, and up to 30 hours of runtime. The nanoceramic glass-breaking bezel and detachable tactical ring add extra versatility, making it an outstanding EDC flashlight for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Digital torque adapter. If you work on cars, motorcycles, or machinery, a digital torque adapter is one of the smartest upgrades you can add to your toolbox. Priced at around $35, it instantly transforms any 1/2-inch ratchet into a precision digital torquey wrench with plus or minus 2% accuracy. The backlit LCD, LED, and audible torque alerts, peak and track modes, and memory for up to 500 readings make every job more accurate and repeatable. With support for 8.8 to 295 foot-pounds and 4 measurement units, it's an affordable tool that delivers professional-level precision without the cost of a dedicated digital torque wrench.